Today, I'm going to be showing you how I use Notion to learn computer science at university. So, if you don't know, Notion is one of the best apps you can have to manage, work, learn, and do many other things with. I'm currently learning computer science in university with Notion. I've also been using Notion for many other things in my life, and it has helped me a lot. Another note, Notion is completely free. So you can check it out. If you like it, that's great. If not, that's also okay, but you can definitely use it for many stuff. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with how you can get the template. All you have to do is go to the link in the description. As you see, I'm right here in my Gumroad page. You enter 0 at the price, click I want this, put in your email, and that's it. You're gonna get the template. You can also check out my site, and at my site you can see Notion templates right here. Click the link, click the all-in-one student Notion template. Here you have a quick explanation on this template. You can click get it on Gumroad and the same link will appear. Okay, so you got the template, you go into the guide. As you can see, the most important thing about this template is the rock judging. You're gonna be seeing this pretty face looking at you, judging you, but you're gonna do your best at learning. So that's kind of the best part of this guide. This template is based on 3 concepts of learning. The first is active recall, and it's basically saying that when you try to memorize something, it's much more effective to not reread stuff, but testing yourself, trying to actively recall information from your brain. Some examples of active recall could be spider diagrams, practice tests, and flashcards. The second concept is retrospective timetable, which is based on the forgetting curve. I'm not gonna go too much into it. I'm gonna leave links throughout the template so you can check it out and learn more for yourself. An important note to say is that you don't have to know all these concepts in order to learn with this template. If you want and when you want, you can just look throughout the template and you'll have links to learning more about all of this stuff. Let's start on how you use it. First, you go to courses. And what you're gonna do here is just put all the courses you have, the subject if you want to put, and score and credits can be added later on. So I'm just gonna put in a couple test courses and then we'll see how we continue. Okay, so after we inserted all of the courses we have, we just go back. Now we're gonna go into the semester planning. And this, we first basically put the semester we're going to be having. For example, the current semester I'm having is 2022B. And then you choose which courses are you going to take in this semester. My semester is going to be between March and late July. So what you're gonna do is you put an end date right here, and then you can have when does it start and when does it end. So I'm gonna be starting on March and finishing up in the end of July. Now what you gotta do is just put in status in progress, upcoming, or completed. So this is the current semester I'm going to be having, so I'm gonna put it in progress. If you watched it this far into the video, it would be really helpful for me if you like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. Let's continue. When you enter the assignments, you first put the assignment name, the course it's related to, the due date, the status of upcoming for everyone, score will be put in later, and you can also use type. Okay, so after we finish up, we go back, we enter our courses, the semester planning, and we put all of our assignments. So now I'm going to be showing you how to use the dashboard. So, as you can see in the semester planning, now you have all the courses you're going to be doing. You can also see the dates of from when to when it's going to be. When you click on one of the course pages, you're going to be seeing this page. Click on the course page template. You're gonna be having the rock judging you again. And when you go down here, you're gonna have basically almost the same things you're gonna be having at the dashboard, but only the stuff that's related to this course. So let's say you have some assignments only for the course of Java, you're gonna be seeing them here. Okay, back to the dashboard. Below the current semester, you can see the upcoming assignments. Now, if you want on the calendar to see more info about the assignment, all you gotta do, you go to the database, click the three dots, properties, and then you could choose, you also wanna see the due date. You can choose to see the status of the task, if it's upcoming. You can see the type of it, anything you wanna do. The inbox is basically where you add more assignments. So let's say I have another test that I want to put inside. So I'm going to be writing test 1. Let's set the due date. Let's say it's going to be tomorrow. Let's add a type. It's a test. The status is upcoming. Okay. Now, when I'm going to be clicking on the course and relating it to the course, it's going to disappear. The point of this is you just enter anything you want and then it's going to appear where it needs to be. So let's say this test is supposed to be tomorrow. So let's look again at the assignment calendar. And as you can see, we can see the test 1 arrived right where it needs to be. When you enter the assignment page, you can click the assignment template. Inside the assignment, you have a place to put your resources. You have the drafts, you have the final deliverable here. And that's the template for the assignment. For the retrospective timetable, when we enter a subject, we also have a template. Inside of this template, I've put some active recall methods for you to learn. So one method is just asking yourself questions. Throughout the class, write questions for yourself and then try to answer them. And it's basically just like flashcards. Another method you can do is spider diagrams, which really is cool. And again, I'm going to be linking a video in the description so you can check out a bit more about that. As you can see, we finished most of the dashboard, and in order to make it more tidy and with less blocks, I've put it here 4 pages that are much less used in the day-to-day. The first is the semester planning. So whenever you need, you can go here, you can add a new semester and plan for the semester ahead. The scores tab, if you want to use it, I personally use it and I really enjoy it. After you put a score in an assignment, you're gonna be seeing it here. The MISC assignments tab, as you saw earlier, if you want to use it, you can turn it into a page, and I'll show you how to do it in a second. Anything that isn't really directly studying, you can add here. Okay, if you want any of these pages to be on the main dashboard, all you gotta do is right click and then turn into text. Now we get into the backend. Here you can see all the main databases. On the other side, you can change all the templates. So this is the course page template. If you want to change the picture of the rack, which
no.
And if you want to do anything else here, you can change anything you want. Again, also with the assignment template, the subject template, you can change it to your liking. That's basically most of the template. This is what I use to learn almost every day. I love learning with this system. I've been using it for the last couple of months and it's been really helpful for me. If you have any feedback or suggestions about the template, I would love to hear it. It's free, so you can check it out. You can leave me a comment saying this is good, this is bad, this is what you need to make better, and I would love to take them and upgrade this template. If you do want, you can give me a little cheeky, like a small change, however much you like. So I hope this template is gonna be helpful for you, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.